Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How are you today? I hope you are very well. And now I'm so pleased to meet you. Students, do you know about Majapahit Kingdom in Indonesia? Good, you're right. Majapahit is a kingdom centered in East Java. But do you know the kings who ruled the Majapahit Kingdom? Not yet? Okay, don't worry, because I like to tell you about Majapahit Kingdom and the kings. So, now please listen to me. Majapahit is a kingdom centered in East Java which was founded around 1293 to 1500 AD. This kingdom reached its peak of glory as a great empire that controlled a large area in the archipelago during the reign of Hayam Wuruk, who ruled from 1350 to 1399. The Majapahit Empire was the last Hindu-Buddhist kingdom to rule the archipelago and is considered to be one of the largest countries in Indonesian history. Its power lies in Java, Sumatra, the Malay Peninsula, Kalimantan, and eastern Indonesia, although its territory is still disputed. Geographically, the location of the Majapahit Kingdom is very strategic because of its wide river basin, namely the Brantas and Bengawan Solo rivers, as well as its navigable tributaries upstream. The names of the kings who ruled the Majapahit Kingdom were as follows: 1. Raden Wijaya, 1293 to 1309. 2. Jayanegara, 1309 to 1328. 3. Tribuana Tunggadewi, 1328 to 1350. 4. Hayam Wuruk, 1350 to 1389. Related to relics of Majapahit, there are many relics which we can now include Penataran Temple, the Book of Negara Kertagama written by M.P.U. Prapanca, the Sutasoma book written by M.P.U. Tantular, the Book of Rapanca which tells the king of Singasari and Majapahit, and the Book of Sundayana which tells even of Bubat War. Okay, student. Based on our discussion, Majapahit is a kingdom centered in East Java. The Majapahit Empire was the last Hindu-Buddhist kingdom to rule the archipelago and is considered to be one of the largest countries in Indonesian history. The name of the kings who ruled the Majapahit Kingdom is Raden Wijaya, Jayanegara, Tribuana Tunggadewi, and Hayam Wuruk. Okay, students, I think that's all of our talk today. Thanks for listening to me. See you next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How are you today? I hope you are great today. Students, do you know about factors affecting social diversity of Indonesia? Language, great. Next. Yes, cultures. Okay, today I'd like to tell you about factors affecting social diversity of Indonesia. Here we go. Factors affecting social diversity of Indonesia. There is much diversity in Indonesia, such as the diversity of tribes, language, religions, and cultures. Some of the factors are as follows. 1. Strategic position of Indonesia. In general, Indonesia's strategic position is viewed from the position of astronomy, so as to benefit the life of the population and climate condition. While geographically Indonesia is located between two continents, namely the Asian continent and the Australian continent, and Indonesia is also located in two oceans, namely the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. This causes Indonesia to lie on the world's maritime axis, which has an influence on international trade and shipping routes. 2. Indonesia condition as an island country. Indonesia is known as one of the largest island nations in the world, consisting of approximately 17,499 islands. Indonesia is called an island nation because its territory consists of islands. The islands are connected by the sea and straits so that it becomes an area known as the archipelago. Each region even has a different diversity. 3. The difference of natural condition. Difference in the states of nature in the territory of Indonesia include 1. The physical state of the Indonesian territory can be individual through the geological condition of the Indonesian territory located at the confluence of three large tectonic plates of the Earth, namely the Indo-Australian, Eurasian, and Pacific Ocean plates. As a result of the collision between the plates form a series of mountains and mountains along the islands of Sumatra, Java to Nusa Tenggara. The condition of Indonesia's earth vast consisting of islands so that the territory of Indonesia has different forms of earth such as highlands, lowlands, hills, valleys, mountains, bay, peninsula, beach. Climate difference in Indonesia influenced by the geographical form of Indonesia across the equator so that Indonesia has a tropical climate. 2. Distribution of flora and fauna in the territory of Indonesia. The distribution of Indonesian flora and fauna is one of the largest biodiversity in the world. This distribution is influenced by the climatic and physical condition of the Indonesian region, thus affecting the temperature and rainfall in Indonesia. Okay students, based on education, although Indonesia is much diversity, we must remain united is based on the slogan Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, which means that although they are different, they are still one. Okay, students, I think that's all of our talk today. Thanks for listening to me. See you next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.